Hello guys, welcome to our channel. In today's video lesson, I am going to teach you English conversation for beginners. So let's start with the tutorial. First we talk about nouns. First, time. What time is it right now? Second, person. I am a person. Third, way. Can you tell me the way to the clock tower? Fourth, thing. What is this thing? Next, we talk about the most used verbs. First, be. I wanna be a doctor. Second, do. I like to do travel. Third, say. I like to say about the English language. Fourth, get. Can I get that tea, please? The next category is adjective, and adjectives help you describe something. First, good. Have a good day. Second, new. I just bought a new bike to travel on. Third, first. What is the first thing you do when you wake up in the morning? Fourth, last. What is the last thing you do before going to bed? The next category is the preposition. First, to. Let's go to Goa. Second, of. Do you remember the last day of your school? Third, for. What would you like to get for your birthday? Fourth, on. I am sitting on a bed. Now, let's talk about some mostly used words: the, and, a, that, I, at, he, as, you, this, but, his, they, her, she, or, will, one, all, would, and the last word is there. Now let's have a look at some sentences which can help you make your conversation skills better and impactful. First, when you want to ask someone, how are you? Instead of how are you, you can say, how is it going? This sounds more energetic. Second, if you want to ask him, what have you been doing? You ask, what have you been up to? What's going on in your life? Third, if everything is going well, you can just answer, can't complain, everything is pretty cool. Fourth, if somebody tells some good joke, you can tell, that's a good one. Fifth, if you want to thank somebody, you can say, it's very kind of you. Sixth, if you didn't catch the part of a sentence, you can say, I didn't catch the last word. I'm sorry, can you repeat it? So that's all about today's video. I hope you liked it. If you want to watch such more tutorials, then stay tuned to our channel. Thanks for watching.